Now, baby, hey, listen very well. I'm here, your daddy. Your daddy's gonna take your diapers alive on a new deal, Paramount deal. I'm gonna take your diapers alive. Be ready, cause you are in Houston, right? Let's fight in Houston.
Just calm down, bro. Joshua Van, he will kick your ass and you will lose your knee. Because why? Would Joshua Van 26 seconds and Doja lose his elbow. So you will be the next person. You are next, and then Joshua Van, he will kick your ass like this, and you will lose your knee. You know, right? You will get no knee, right? You lose your knee, right? Come on.